Breaking news, guys. I found how you can achieve your desired watch hour using only YouTube Studio and any editing app of your choice. Any editing app of your choice, either InShot, Capcut, any editing app at all that you use in editing your content. You are going to use this to get your desired 4,000 watch hour. And the most interesting thing is you are not going to make use of any external live streaming app at all. What you are going to use is within your YouTube Studio, added by YouTube. And the funniest part of this is a lot of us see these things and we are not even aware, or we are not even aware of the importance of these features. Because we are not aware of these features, what most of us did was we always ignore these features totally. A lot of us ignore these features because we are not even aware of its usefulness. So here is me bringing to you to let you know the importance of these features, as well as how you can use these beautiful features to actually monetize your channel. Hello, welcome back to my channel once again. Is your girl Grow with Kike. On my channel today, I bring to you how you can live stream directly from your YouTube Studio without using external link, without going for Restream IO whatsoever. Whatever it is you are going to use is within your YouTube Studio, added to you by YouTube, so that you can make use of it. So if you are returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you for watching my content. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for the share. I really appreciate you. And if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you get to see more of my videos. So please, before I start this video, I want you to please help me share this video. Help me share this video so that it will reach a lot of audience, because a lot of people are not even aware that they can actually do silent live stream from their YouTube Studio. As in, you don't have to use any external link. You don't have to go outside the YouTube. You can do this directly from your YouTube video. So I will really appreciate it if you help me share this content so that it will reach a wider audience. So now let's dive into the main purpose of making this video. Like I said earlier, you can use InShot or Capcut, any editing app you use at all. So I use Capcut for most of my editing. So the first thing you are going to do now is you are going to open the new project. Once you click on the new project, this will take you straight to your gallery. And once you get to your gallery, you are going to select all the videos you want to use. There you select all the videos you want to use, but one thing you need to make sure of is make sure you use long video, and you can select as many video as possible. But just make sure any video you want to select is either your video, or be very sure that it is not a copyrighted video. Copyrighted video will get your channel flagged. So there I am. I selected raw videos. I use my personal videos. So I selected the video, and then the next thing you are going to do is, if the video has a sound and you are not sure if the sound has a copyright this thing on it, you either mute all sound of the video. The first thing you are going to do is you are going to edit the video. You need to edit it as much as you can. So the first thing you are going to do is you are going to go to the aspect ratio of the video. So normal standard for YouTube long video is 16:9. But for the purpose of this video, because you want to use it as a live stream on YouTube, we are going to change it to the normal size for live streaming. That is 9:16. 9:16 is the normal size for YouTube video. So that is what you are going to change it to. So once you change it, you click on OK. That is the mark sign. Then you click on the OK button. After that, if the video has a sound, you are going to remove the sound if you are not sure if it has copyright on it. So how do you remove the sound? You click on the video, then you click on volume. Once you click on volume, you are going to turn the volume down to 0. After removing, that means you have successfully remove the sound. Once you reduce it to 0, you will not be able to hear the sound in the video. So after that, the next thing you are going to do is you can add sound or music to the video in order to make it more lively. And how do you do that? You do that by going to extract. Extract is actually a Capcut Pro. So what you're going to do is once you click on extract, that means you have a video that you can add, you can extract the music or the sound from. Once you click on extract, it will take you to your gallery. Then you click on the video you want to extract the sound or music from, and automatically the music will appear in your video. So after that, that means you already added music to your video. So the next thing you are going to do is you are going to export the video. That means you are going to save the video. So like I said earlier, please make sure you use your personal video, or you are very sure that the video you want to use is not copyrighted. So after you have successfully export the video, just check your gallery to be sure the video is saved. Then we move on to the next step. The next thing you are going to do is to open your YouTube app and click on the plus button. Once you click on the plus button, click on live and click on the edit icon. That is as if you want to go on live. Then the next thing you are going to do is you're going to put your title, any title at all that suits the video. Family is everything. So this is the title I use for my YouTube, for the title of the video, because I use a family video. Then the next thing is your visibility. Make sure your visibility is on public. It's very important. And the advanced setting, if your channel is monetized, make sure you turn your monetization app on section on. And the next thing is you're going to take note of is your screencast. Make sure it is turned on. This is the direct stream by YouTube, the one YouTube gave us. And the next one is your audience. Make sure your audience is on not made for kids. And once you put your audience on not made for kids, you click on the next. You will see you're about to enter screen broadcast mode. Then you click on got it. Then you see start recording or casting with YouTube. The next thing you are going to click is start now. Once you click on start, you will see your screen will be displayed on YouTube live stream. You can close your face so that only your picture will be showing. Then click on go live. So once you click on go live, the next thing is you're going to go to your gallery. The video you have edited before, select it and play the video. Once you play the video will be showing on your live stream, and the video will be generating more watch hour for you. As people watch this live stream, the more your watch hour will be accumulating. Another interesting thing is you can also loop this video as you loop video in your Restream IO. So once you loop this video will keep repeating itself as long as possible. But make sure you are not using a copyrighted video. This is how to loop this video. You click on the 3 button. Once you click on the 3 button, it will bring you to this place, auto repeat video. So this is the same thing as looping the video. So, and once you see this auto repeat video, make sure it is turned on. When you first use it, the button is going to be turned off, but once you activate it, make sure you turn it on. Once you turn this auto repeat video on, this video can run for 12 hours, even 24 hours if you don't stop it. So once you do this, this video is going to keep repeating itself on your live stream, and it will keep repeating itself until you stop it on your own. So now let's go to our YouTube app to go and see how the video is doing. So the next thing I'm going to do now, is go to your YouTube, click on the channel name you are using to live stream. Then you're going to see if the live stream is on. You can see it. This is exactly how live stream looks like, and you can do this for as many times as possible, and you keep, if you are consistent with this, in few days or weeks your channel will get your desired watch hour and you're going to monetize your channel. And the most interesting part of this is directly from YouTube itself. You don't have to use any external app for you to do this live streaming. You are doing it straight from your YouTube studio section. Can you see how interesting this is? After you are done with this live streaming and you want to end the live video, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to click on the picture from your YouTube channel. Then you are going to click on the X button. X button is above the videos you are doing, you are live streaming. You can see the X button. Then just click on this X button and the live stream will come to an end. And if you do this consistently, you can monetize your channel in few weeks, and you don't need to be afraid of this because this is directly from YouTube itself. Please help me share this video, comment, and please subscribe to my channel so you get to see more of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. If that is true, please help me share this content. I really want this to reach a wider audience. And please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you get to see more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next video.